There is a saying in law, justice delayed is justice denied. So there is no point in delaying your actions. So if you are a Clat aspirant, specifically Clat 2022 or 23, this video is absolutely for you. Join Success at Education Services, where you get the most experienced faculty teaching since 2009 and have sent hundreds and thousands of students to various national law universities. Here you will get the most researched material in online and offline mode. Get the interactive classes in bi-directional mode, that means audio and video both. Regular tests, sectional tests, speed tests, mock tests and debate are the speciality of the program that will enhance your preparation towards your exam, and you would be motivated throughout the year, and your selection percent for the exams will definitely grow.